When it comes to traditional string inverter PV systems, one rotten apple can spoil the whole barrel. By installing SolarEdge power optimizers that enable greater energy yield for the entire PV system, this is not an issue. Here's how it works. The power optimizer is connected via cables to each module in the solar array, maximizing energy production of each individual module. By constantly tracking each module's maximum power point, the power optimizer reduces potential power losses due to soiling, shading, aging, and current or future obstructions. SolarEdge's unique design flexibility lets you install modules of multiple tilts, orientations, and types in a single string, and even design strings of uneven lengths for easy module replacement or expansion. With the built-in Safe DC technology, you can provide maximum electrocution protection for emergency first responders and installers if the grid or inverter shuts down. And all power optimizers have a 25-year warranty, giving you full peace of mind. So why limit the energy production and revenue of your future PV projects? You made a great decision going solar. Now make it ideal with SolarEdge's power optimizers.